Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to all English learners. This lecture is presented by MD Shamsul Haq, Lecturer, Department of English. Today's topic is on fill in the blanks with suitable word. That means which is called the without clue chapter. Okay. Today's lecture is going on the passage of pandemic situation. So the first example, at present dash world is suffering dash virus dash. So at present the dash world.
The whole world.
Thank you. The whole world, the present world. So the answer is yes, the whole world is suffering. Suffering এর পরে একটা
Suffering
preposition
from.
বসে.
Preposition from.
From. Thank you.
Suffer
Okay.
from.
Suffering from virus.
Virus.
ভাইরাস আবার কি সংক্রমণ যেটা
সংক্রমণ.
সংক্রমণের ইংলিশ কি ইনফেকশন
Infection.
Okay, so we are going to the second example. This virus has been dashed COVID-19
Has been called.
COVID-19 or named নাম দেওয়া হয়েছে COVID-19. So the answer is called or named. You are correct.
Named.
Called, named also correct. So the whole world is in a dash situation.
Pandemic situation.
Good. So the whole world is in a pandemic situation. Now we are going to the third slide, third example. For this dangerous dash, a lot of dash are dying dash. For this dangerous disease or virus. Okay.
Dangerous virus.
ভাইরাস COVID-19 বা করোনা ভাইরাস। আর যেহেতু এর একটা স্পেশাল নাম দেওয়া হয়েছে ওই নামটা ইউজ করাই ভালো হয়। A lot of
people.
Correct. A lot of people, men অথবা human beings are dying. Dying এর পরে কি দেব?
Continuously.
Okay, continuously, daily, every day, maybe. Okay. Daily, every day, but continuously. So my learners, we are going to the fourth slide and fourth example. Economical dash has also become a part of dash. What will be here? Economical dash. Try to here is have. So the subject economical is a pre-modifier. Here will be noun and noun must be plural form.
Plural.
Economical damages অর্থনৈতিক ধ্বংস বা ক্ষতি. Okay. Yes.
Economical damages have also become a part
of life. Part of life. Okay. Yes, part of life. A lot of people have dashed their employment.
Lost.
Good. A lot of people have lost their employment. Now we are in the fifth slide. For the dash of the earning members, a lot of people are dashed from fundamental dash.
For the
earning members there from the dash of earning members, a lot of people are dash from fundamental dash. For the মারা যাওয়ার ইংলিশ কি? ডেমাইজ, মৃত্যুবরণ বা মরণ, DEMISE, অথবা ফর
demise,
দ্য ডেথ,
for the demise of
ডেমাইজ লিখতে পারো, ডেথ লিখতে পারো। সো হিয়ার ফর দ্য ডেমাইজ অফ আর্নিং মেম্বার্স মানে যে ইনকাম করে, এই ইনকাম করা লোক যদি মারা যায় তাহলে পরিবারের অন্যান্য সদস্যদের সাফারিং বেড়ে যায়, তাই না? ফর দ্য ডেমাইজ অফ দ্য আর্নিং মেম্বার্স এ লট অফ পিপুল আর
suffering from
ওকে সাফারিং, সাফারিং ফ্রম ফান্ডামেন্টাল, ফান্ডামেন্টাল উপরে কি বসে? মৌলিক অধিকার,
fundamental
মৌলিক অধিকার।
right,
থ্যাংক ইউ। ফান্ডামেন্টাল রাইটস।
rights.
Actually, today's class is for a short time. I messages many students of Fazil, but only you save the prestige of your sir participating in the class. Okay, Kamrul Hassan. So,
Ji sir.
This is a picture. You can give a description about this picture. Describe about this picture. একটু বক্তব্য দাও এই পিকচারের উপরে।
Sir, we see a lady.
Not lady,
And
she is a girl, because a student, his books, papers, notebooks, pen,
And
laptop.
She's participating in online classes.
Thank you. Why I have selected this slide to show the students? Because at present the pandemic
Because-
situation
Situation
is going on. That's why it is impossible to participate in classrooms. Teachers cannot go to the institution, students cannot go to the institution.
students cannot
As a
also
matter of fact, the best way is to participate in online classes.
online class.
But in Bangladesh, students are generally discouraged by the politicians and some teachers also. So it is a very matter of sorrow. So we should get a lot of fluency and skillfulness about online classes and making many programs with friends, relatives, so that students and teachers can be very perfect in using the online programs or digital programs. So Kamrul Hassan, a lot of thanks to all and you. I hope you must come in next classes also. Thank you very good. Assalamu alaikum.